Racing gas is started. We have Chikatsu first to show quickness at the start. Running by the rail, Dizipid. Ipira is on the outside, full of action. Robitron comes next, then followed by is Marias. Marcus Wolf, then next on Lana is Magisterium. And then followed by September Morning, while Cold Hearted is the early trailer by about 10 lengths up the leader. We have Katsu by about 4 lengths. Ovitron in second. Dissipate is racing in third. Then followed by Full of Action alongside Ipira. Marcus Wolf is Marias. September Morning Magisterium. While Cold Hearted is still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Katsu still in control, maintaining a 5 lengths lead. And in second is Ovitron. Then on the outside, Dissipate. Ipira still in fourth. Then comes Full of Action is Marias, is done on the inside, Marcos Wolf, Magisterium, then next online September Morning, while Cold Hearted is still racing in less than Diana entering the home stretch. We have Katsu by length and a half, about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Ovitron, and as they swing for home, we have Katsu by about 2 lengths, and in second is Ovitron. Magisterium finds some opening down on the inside. Echikatsu, Magisterium moves up to take the lead, and finally Magisterium. Echikatsu, Ipira, then comes Ovitron, Dissipate, and September Morning for your Super 6.
No.
No. No.